everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are going to be making easy classic tuna salad recipe. This recipe, guys, makes the best tuna sandwiches. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, we're gonna dice the celery. I love how the celery adds a fresh from the garden crunch to this salad. Next, chop the red onion. I love how it always provides the perfect savory balance to this salad. So here I have chunk light tuna in water. I like water packed tuna, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lid with a can opener. The easiest way, guys, to drain the water from the can is to cut the lid all the way open. Then you're gonna hold the can of your tuna over a sink or a small bowl. Tilt the can to drain all the liquid out, just like so, guys. Now place drained tuna in a medium bowl. Use a fork to break up any large pieces of tuna. Now add red onions. We're gonna also add sweet relish. It's gonna spice up the salad. We are also adding the celery for crunchiness. Then mix well. Next, we're gonna add mustard and mayo. This will make the tuna salad moist and creamy. Give it a quick mix. Now add the salt and pepper to the salad and adjust the amount to taste. Mix everything with a spoon or a fork until everything is well combined. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. And if you are new, thank you for your support. Don't forget to like the video and to leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Taste for salt. Then your tuna salad is ready to be served right away. To assemble the sandwich, I like to spread mayo on one slice, Then I'm gonna top with lettuce. Next, follow with tuna salad. Place another slice of bread on top of the salad, cut in half and enjoy. There you have it, guys. Easy, classic tuna salad recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my